Good morning children, welcome to our science session. This is the application book page number worksheet 1.2 page number 3. Application book. In application book, look here. This is our application book, and the textbook one, course book is called and this is called application book. In these books we have worksheets about the answers, bits, all these things we should write in this book only. Now we have to go to first lesson, worksheet number 1.2 in application book. First question, that why are cells known as the basic building blocks of our body? Why the cells are the building blocks? It can build the tissue and work together, form an organ. Yes, that's why we can say the cells are the building blocks of our body. Why the cells are the building blocks? It can build the tissue and work together, form an organs. Cells work together, group of cells begin to group of tissues work together, form a organ. That's only we can call the cells are the building blocks of our body. Second question, differentiating between an organ and organ system. First of all, organ means we have to know organs. Sense organs, that is different. Organs, kidneys, heart, blood circulation, skeletal system, nervous system, respiratory system, these are called organs. Organ system, so digestive, that's it. Now only I said no, that is called organ systems. Organs, heart, brain, skull, that is called organs. Then similar tissues joined together to form an organ. Each organ performs a specific function. Each organ performs a specific function. The organ system, a group of organs work together, an organ system is known as organ system. That the similar tissues join together to form an organ. Each organ performs specific function. Yes, each organ have their own specific function. It's like a heart. Heart is that, what is that duty? That blood circulate all of the body. What is the nerves? It is carried to the bloods to the, with the nerves to the parts of body. What is the breathing system? We have to give it the oxygen to the all of body. This is that specific, the performs a specific function to the all of body that organs will do. The organ system, a group of organs work together is an organ system. The group of organs will together work there, that is called organ system. Both organs and organ systems work together in our human body. Yes, this is the difference of organ and organ system. Organs will do their own specific function, and all organs collective do the total works in proper way. That is, we have the human body will in the healthy condition. Next, third one, what are the functions of skeletal system in the human body, and what are the function of the skeletal system? That is, the skeletal system gives us the shape and support to our body. Yes, it gives us shape and support to our body. It allows to stand straight and walk on foot. It will help us to, most important, help us to stand to straight and walk on foot. And it protects internal organs. It protects internal organs like brain, heart, lungs. It is protective skeletal system. It means skeletal system protects to internal organs like heart, brain, lungs. That it gives us shape and support, and it allows to stand straight on our foot, and it protects our internal organs. First, why are the cells known as the basic building blocks? That is, it is work together, tissues and work to an organ. It is called to cell is the building blocks. Next, difference in an organs and organ system. And next one, that what are the function of skeletal system? We know that. And you see these ones. First page, worksheet number 1.1. Look here, choose the correct answer. What do similar tissue form by joining together? What do similar tissues by joining together? The answer is B. Cells joining together form a tissue. Cells forming together form a tissue. Here answer is B. Answer is B. First one. Next, certain organs work together. A group to form. Organs, group of organs work together form a organ system. Answer is C. What is that? Answer is second one, C. Third one, dash. The dash gives a shape our to body. Which system? The skeleton system gives a shape our to body. Answer is D. And fourth one, how many bones are in a human skeleton have? How many bones? You know very well, 206. How many bones are there in our human body? Tell me. Yes, 206. Answer is D. First one B, second one organ system, third one D, skeleton. Fourth one, how many bones are there in a human body? 206. These are the first bit complete. Second one, fill in the blanks. Second one, fill in the blanks and write on the board here. Dash help us in moving different parts of our body. Which help us to, tell me, which help us to this? Yes, skeleton system. What is the answer? Skeleton. Next, second one. The process of breaking down of food into similar substance that can be easily absorbed by our body known as digestion. Yes or no? Yes. The process of breaking down is known as second one, digestion. Second one, digestion. Yes or no? Yes, second one is that digestion. Third one, look here. The process of digestion starts from which place to starts from? That starts from mouth. Okay, good. What is that? Yes, starts from that mouth. Next, fourth one. The useful part of the food are observed in the. What is that observed in the? Tell me, the useful parts of food are observed in the. Tell me that only. Yes, tell me. Intensive. Yes, in. Very good. Next, fifth one, the undigested food thrown out of our body. What is that? Anus. Very good. system help us to move different parts of our body. The process break down into food into similar substance that can be easily absorbed by that known as digestion. The process of digestion starts from our mouth. The useful parts of our body absorbed in the intestine. That undigested food is thrown out of the body through the anus. This is the first 1.1 worksheet complete. Next we have to see it. Look here, the picture is there. See, observe the picture. What is this and what is this? You can write in your application book, page number 2. It is there answers in our textbook, page number first lesson, second, third page. Page number is there, the answer should write. Just I will inform to you. Here mouth, food pipe, you know this one, this side stomach, here liver, this is the small intestine, large intestine, anus. These are the answers. Should complete. Textbooks compulsory you should buy, Nana. Otherwise we can't do answers. Next week we have to conduct in the exams. Then should complete by the textbooks. Then you can write the first unit test. See, look what is that? First lesson, application book, worksheet number 1.2, page number 3 is there, these question answers. Why are the cells known as the basic building blocks of one four-way for our body? That cells are the building blocks. It can build tissues together from form organs. Then we have to say the cells are the building blocks. Then differentiating between organ and organ systems are similar. Tissues joined together from an organ. That each organ perform specific function. The organ system, a group of organs work together, is called organ systems. That all organ systems work together, that human body is the healthy. Next, what are the functions and skeletal system in our human body? The skeletal system gives us shape and support, and our body it allows to stand straight and walk on foot, and it protects us. Our internal organs like heart, brains, lungs. Okay, na children? Then you should buy the textbooks compulsory. Otherwise that you can't know the answers. It comes application book and course book. Each English, math, science also coming, social also coming. Different two books. One is the course book, one is the application book.